Borman House, circa 1884, built in the vernacular, Gothic, and stick styles. This house stands in the old Deming addition to the city of Parkersburg. The lot changed hands several times, belonging to John Forsyth and his heirs from 1861 until it was sold in 1883 to R.J. and Arnie Walk McClandish of 1121 Ann Street for the price of $900. In December 1884, the McClandishes sold the property for $2,950, marking the probable building date of the house, although it could represent the dramatic updating of an earlier structure. The 1886 Lake Atlas shows their son, Charles McClandish, living there. The house stands today as a vernacular Victorian with a front section paralleling the street and a kitchenelle extending along 12th Street. It is ornamented in the earlier Victorian Gothic style, with steep dormers and Gothic arched gable vents, and in the stick style of the later 19th century, with cut-out vertical boards and battens in the end dormers and decorative pieces surmounting the corner boards. In 1895, the house was sold to Arthur Borman, West Virginia's first governor, who used it as a rental property. After Borman's death, the estate passed to his wife, Lorraine, and subsequently to their daughters. On March 29, 1920, Lauren Borman Hayes sold her interest in the house to her sister, Maud Borman Cotton, who lived in the house until her death in 1945, ending 50 years of ownership by the Borman family. The house has seen interior changes over the years, including conversion to, and then from, a two-family dwelling. Two of its original 3 fireplaces remain, and updating has included a large kitchen with a nook, as well as the addition of 3 baths.